my way all around, and we're just at the finishing corner here before I didn't record all of that because it was very ugly. But you will get everything from this point on. So right now, I'm just going to finish loosening it up and making sure everything else is unglued so we can lift the screen. Alright, thanks. As of right now, I did finish ungluing all the sections, and I made sure they weren't glued down, and I got a little suction cup just like this, and I put it on the side there, and as you can see, it lifts up the glass pretty well like that. So the proper way to do it is to do it from this side, the side that has your power button and your volume button and your lock button, and lift it to this side because of the digitizer that's attached here. It's a little cable that does connect to underneath your screen here. So I lifted that up. So what we're going to do now is we have to clean up this edge over here. What I'm probably going to do right now is take out the screen. So while I'm cleaning up this edge, I don't get anything on the screen because my screen's perfectly fine. I have Wi-Fi signal, so my Wi-Fi antenna is working. So everything seems, those are the things you really want to look for. In these spots right here on your iPad, where the power button is, where the volume buttons are, there's little cables, and you definitely do not want to hurt those cables. If you can see the cable right there, those cables right there, and that's your Wi-Fi antenna right here. That's it. So definitely do not. Okay. So right now I'm going to take out the screen, clean up the edge, and we'll be right back. Okay, I just removed the LCD screen. There it is right there. And this is where it connects to right here. And there, if you have a little tool, see how there's a little lip on this tool right there. So what you do is sort of this fashion. You get in there and you lift up this bar, kind of like there's a bar here. I'll do this one just to show you guys. Those are the digitizer pieces. This is for the LCD screen, and that's that. Just remove the digitizer. That's all it is. I'm gonna also remove these the camera holder, and the home button holder, and put them on my new digitizer, which did not have them. So that's what we'll do. Lay that off to the side here. And go ahead and clean up that edge. Stuff here that's stuck. Just installed all the stickies that you need to put on after skipping around so much. But this is my first time doing it, and I just kind of go with the flow, and if everything's working, I just keep moving. So here it is. I don't know if you can see it. It's very clear, but they're there. Like right there. This is all around the edge there, and this is what it's going to be on the home button, and the home button's going to go back on right there because mine didn't come with a new one. And then I got my camera piece there. I'm gonna put that. Okay, black iPad with the white home button. Beautiful, guys. Straight beautiful. There it is. Check me out. Check me out, yo. Check me out, yo. I am having a problem with my home button.